Let's get started with animation. This is no tutorial, it's just a hint, and it's quite a big tip for everybody who is interested in getting Maya for free. Maya for free means you want to learn Maya, learn how to use it, or why do you need it for free? Free download activation. How to download and install Autodesk Maya 2018 for free. Any of these, if we click on them, start with a crack.
Hi guys, this is your friend from Sky Production, and today we are going to crack Maya.
I'm going to crack Maya, he says. So what I'm going to tell you now is something very positive. You don't need this. Just forget this crap here, because it's not necessary, and you'll install Trojan horses and viruses when you install those cracks. At least that's a typical thing to encounter. Instead, go to Autodesk, the official website, and officially declare that you're a student and you want to learn using this software. And you get a 3-year license to use it for free. And you always get the warning in Maya not to use it commercially now. So whenever you save a file, I'll show you, because I have a free version. I have paid versions from the past, but now I have a free version for educational reasons. It's a student version. When I save this scene, for example, I get the notification, student version file. The file being saved was created by a student version of Maya, intended for personal learning only. If you save the file, this message will always appear whenever the file is opened. Fair enough. I have all the features in Maya, and there's no reason to crack it or whatever. So that's a matter of the past, when Maya was not available for students for free, or for a fair amount of money which they had to invest. And they were told there's Cinema 4D, which is an excellent program. There's 3D Studio Max, which is an excellent program, and other programs, Softimage. So how could they choose without trying the software out for quite a long time? So what you do when you're at autodesk.com, log in, create an account if you don't have one, and then go to the free trials. Search for Maya. It's right here. And now you can try Maya for free for 1 month, or be a student who can get a free software for 3 years. Download it now in the education community. So you have to kind of register here, and then you can try it for free. It was not a problem for me, and I really appreciate Autodesk doing this. That's all I wanted to tell you today. So forget about all these dangerous sites. Most of them promote cracks which involve a virus. And apart from that, it's just not necessary. Have a good day. Bye-bye.